Hello student, in the last session you learned the introduction of the Visual Basic. Today topic is advantages and features of Visual Basic. The structure of the basic programming language is very simple as to the executable code. Executable files can be hand coded in the machine language, although it is far more convenient to develop software as a source code in high level language that can be easily understood by human. VB is not only a language but primarily an integrated interactive development environment. ID in the VB easily integrated and interactive any window based applications develop. VBID has been highly optimized to support rapid application development. RAD in rapid application development. Rapid application development is specially well suited for developing software that is driven by user interface requirement. Graphical user interface builder are often called rapid application developer tools. It is particularly easy to develop graphical user interfaces and to connect them to handler function provided by the application. Graphical user interface of the VBID provides intuitively appealing views for the management of the program structure in the large and the various types of the entity such as classes, modules, procedures, forms. In the VBID, easily classes, modules and procedures and the forms developments are easily possible. VB provides the comprehensive, interactive and the context sensitive online health system. The comprehensive including or dealing with all or nearly all elements or aspects of something. IntelliSense VB when editing a program takes the IntelliSense technology, inform you in a little pop-up window about the types construct that may be entered at the current cursor location. IntelliSense helps developer evaluate code as they are typing and use fewer keystrokes to implement certain aspects of a code. IntelliSense and related tools are helpful in making code writing more efficient and allow programmer to track what they have done in order to reduce error and improve accuracy. When you write deem num as integer, do not write the deem properly, the errors are occur. The deem is red right in the below the deem, the red line is occurs. They rectify the errors and the program is easily executed. VB is a component integration language which is attended to Microsoft Component Object Model. COM Object Model is a platform independent distributed object oriented system for creating binary software component that can integrated. COM component can be written in different languages and then integrated using VB. Interfaces of COM component can be easily called remotely via distributed COM, which makes it easy to construct distributed application. In the Microsoft solution for distributed computing, it allows one client application to remotely start DCOM server object on another machine and invoke its method. COM component can be embedded in link to your application user interface and it into store document. Object linking and embedding allows programmer of Windows application to create an application that can display information from other Windows application and allows the user to edit the information within the application that created it. An OLE object is a discrete data item that one application supplies to another. For example, spreadsheet can supply to the worksheet. Next is features of Visual Basic. First features is GUI interface. VB is a graphical user interface. In the VB language, easily graphical based applications, window based applications are easily developed. Easily developed, this means that VB program will allow show something on the screen and the user can interact with to get a job done. Next feature is modularization. Modularization is a technique to divide a software system into multiple discrete and independent modules which are expected to capable and carrying out tasks independently. This module may work as a basic construct for the entire software. Designer to 10 designer 10 to design module such they can be executed or compiled separately or independently. It is considered a good programming practice to modularize your program. Small module where it is clearly indicated what comes into the module and what goes out makes a program easy to understand. Object oriented programming is a concept where the programmer thinks of the program in objects that interact with each other. Visual Basic forces this good programming practice. Next is debugging. Visual Basic offers two different options for code debugging: debugging managed code runtime debugger and the debugging managed code individually debugs C and C++ application. Visual Basic Windows application, the runtime debugger helps to find and fix bugs in a program at runtime. There are three types of errors are occur. First is syntax error, second is runtime error, and third is logic error. Syntax error, these are the grammatical error in the formulations of the statement, and the runtime error, these are errors that cannot be detected until the program is running. Third is the logic error. These are the errors that cause the program to behave incorrectly. Using debugging tool, stopping. First debugging tools is stopping an execution of the program at the specific point. Second is detecting the runtime and the logic error. Third is understanding the behavior of the error-free code. Next feature is macro ID. Macro integrated development environment is similar in design and function to the Visual Studio ID. The macro ID includes code editor, tool windows, and the property windows and editors. Data access feature. By using data access feature, you can create databases, scalable server-side component for most the databases, including Microsoft SQL and the other interface level database. By using the database feature in the Visual Basic, easily window-based applications are developed. Here the close the today's session. In the next session, you will see the integrated development environment of Visual Basic. Thank you.